Hi! In this video, we will show you how to identify if someone has been using your WhatsApp account without your permission and the steps you can take to secure it. Let's get started. First, let's look at the signs that may indicate someone has accessed your WhatsApp account without your knowledge. If you notice strange messages or calls you didn't make. If you have noticed some conversations being deleted or marked as read. If you see active WhatsApp web sessions or unknown devices connected. It means someone has access to your WhatsApp. Now, let's see how you can check if someone else is using your WhatsApp account. On Android, go to WhatsApp, then tap the three dots in the upper right corner and select Link Devices. Here, you can view active sessions. If you see an unfamiliar device or location, it could be a sign of unauthorized access. If you detect any unauthorized access, tap on the connected device. Select Log Out to terminate the unauthorized connection. To further secure your WhatsApp account, enable two-step verification. Tap the three dots, go to WhatsApp Settings, and under Account, select Two-Step Verification. Set a PIN that only you know. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. If you've taken these steps but are still concerned, consider contacting WhatsApp support for further assistance. In WhatsApp, tap the three dots. Go to Settings. Then Help, and select Contact Us. Explain the situation and follow their guidance. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our future videos.